Oh, welcome back.
So what do we got here? I gotta make a video. I'm running out of shit to talk about.
Oh, we got a Beta 300 RR.
Yep.
That's needs a subframe made because they have a poly,
Poly?
a plastic subframe.
There you go.
But other than that,
Oh.
oh, you have any ice cream? I want some ice cream.
I'll insert a clip from. Dude, I'll insert a clip from the last time the ice cream man was here.
Maybe for him to come back around.
I never seen Alex run so fast. Look at him go. Come on, Alex.
Got my ice cream.
Oh yeah.
I tried to chase the ice cream man down too.
I know you
I
did.
tried to chase him down. I'm glad that he came back around. It's fine.
The most athletic thing I've seen Alex do is eat ice cream fast.
Exactly.
Right off.
Yeah, this
Flip over a razor, Glamis.
Oh man. Yeah, she's just kind of. Let's call it rolling at this point, right?
It's a rolling.
It's a rolling chassis.
But, once the subframe's done, it'll be throw a chain on it, those plastics on it,
Yep.
ship it.
So the challenge for you, Drew, there's an oil injection tank on the subframe.
Oh yeah.
So that's going to get mounted
I'm gonna bring you the
on our new frame.
Seeing as I grew up with the blaster, I just bypassed it.
Oh God.
I'm just kidding. We'll make it work.
Yeah, we know he don't want to do that.
Yeah, we're not doing that in this.
Oh man. Yeah, it's gonna be sick though.
Yeah, this is gonna be sick.
Got the polished wheels. We had to wait a while for these bad boys. We don't do a lot with polish, but it really does look sick.
Yeah.
I like it.
Other than that, I mean, shit.
The red lined up really nice too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Match.
Everyone's been
Killed it on that one.
Everyone's been asking about the update on this thing, so here it is. We just got a giant piece of cardboard right here. We're just gonna keep stepping on it. You're gonna have
I
that.
gotta pick that up.
You taking that home?
I haven't taken that. I'm gonna carve pumpkins on this tonight.
There you go.
Yeah.
You got to send me a picture of that later.
I will.
All right, cool. Well, we're gonna wheel this thing over here.
Next to the other bike that needs a subframe.
Yep, this one's getting a subframe too. This is a Cowie build. We had a local customer bring this down to us for mock-up on this kit. Yeah, this is getting a subframe. That one's next in line, and then we're jumping right on that too. But yeah, stay tuned for this build too.
I'm just walking my Beta.
Yeah, you're gonna have all this.
What's up?
See that?
Run over my foot.
Welder sounds like an airplane.
We're gonna do.
Pull it next to the Cowie, I guess. Yeah.
You know Alex, when he tries to push a three-wheeler, it's tough.
I just have to get run over at least once a day when I push these things.
Absolutely.
If I don't get run over, it's like I didn't do work.
Cool. All right, well that's the old beta update.
Beta.
And guys, stay tuned for this guy right here. This one's gonna be pretty cool too. What year was this guy? I don't even remember. I should know this. It's written down on our slip.
07.
Don't have the build sheet over here, so. Yeah, it's an older Cowie. Obviously, you can see we got the swing arm figured out, triples, all that fun stuff. We're just down to a subframe. This thing's gonna be put together and out the door.
Got a lot of purple on it.
So probably do this one first and then jump on that guy, but that's the next two getting mocked up.
Yep.
Cool.
Like 15 in the other room, all in pieces.
Yes, you're gonna have all this. Alrighty then. So that's our update for today on this bike.
Our update.
Alrighty guys, we'll see you in the next one.
We'll be back. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Yes.
You thought you were posing, I was videoing you.
Yes. Motor is made of motor. Got it.
Yep, looks good.